Welcome to the Department of Mass Communication, Galgotias University. I am Dr. Nikki Tiwari, your course coordinator of Media Industry and Entrepreneurship, BAJC 3002. Today I am going to discuss on the topic Organizational Structure of a Newspaper. The prerequisite of this course is Basics of Print Media and co-requisites of this course is Computer with Internet Connection. Learning objectives of this topic are: on completion of this course, the students will be able to understand the organization structure of a newspaper and the editorial department, advertising department, circulation department, and printing department of a print media organization. Organizational structure of a newspaper. Newspaper organization has different types of department for different types of tasks. Mainly, newspaper organizations have 5 major departments. They are editorial department, circulation department, advertising department, printing press, and administrative department. Now I am going to discuss about the editorial department. Editorial department is the backbone of any newspaper organization. The editorial department of a newspaper collects, receives, processes, and finalizes the news and all other writings related to news for publication in the newspaper. The news is collected, received, and solicited by a newspaper from all parts of the world as well as from all across the country. The main responsibilities of the editorial department are following. They gather news, features, and lead articles for publishing in the newspaper. This department is responsible for the selection of news for publishing in the newspaper. The department is responsible for the editing of news and articles that have selected for the publication. Every newspaper has editorial page which reflect the policy of the organization. This means that every newspaper has its own opinion on all serious national and international issues. Opinions have to be in conformity with the newspaper's policy, which is determined by the owner or the editor of the newspaper. The newspaper editor alone can't handle the whole department. Therefore, under the supervision of editor, there are so many subdivisions. The functionaries in the editorial department are as follows: editor or chief editor or the managing editor, deputy editors, and then associate editors, senior assistant editors and assistant editors, and then chief news editors, deputy news editors, chief sub-editor, sub-editors, special correspondents, state bureau chiefs, beat reporters, stringers, photographers, and so on. Functions of the managing editor, editor-in-chief or executive editor. The editor is the boss of a newspaper and is ultimately responsible for what is published. They allocate space for articles, photographs, advertisements, etc. and decide which stories make it into each edition. The editor-in-chief is responsible for newspapers' editorial voice and often write editorial leaders or opinion pieces placed in the editorial section. The editor-in-chief is responsible for enforcing the policies that have been set out by the managing editor or owner and supervises the day-to-day operations of the publication. The editor-in-chief supervises the editorial team in choosing the topics of interest they think their readers will find compelling to read and to make sure all sides of a topic are reported on. Now I am going to discuss the functions of sub-editors. Function of sub-editors include editing copy written by reporters or feature writers to remove spelling mistakes and grammatical errors, rewriting material so that it flows or reads better and adheres to the house style of the publication, ensuring that a story fits a particular word count by cutting or expanding material as necessary. Next, writing headlines that attracts audience. Next, checking facts and stories to ensure they are accurate, adhere to copyright laws, and are not libelous or go against the publication policy. cropping photos and deciding where to use them for best effect, and writing picture captions. Chief Copy Editor. The Chief Copy Editor is in charge of the newspaper's copy desk. The people on the copy desk read news stories to make sure they are written according to the newspaper standards. The Chief Copy Editor makes final decision about the copy and is in charge of the staffing of the desk. Copy Editor. A copy editor is specially trained to read the stories that others have written and make sure they conform with the rules of grammar and style. A copy editor also writes headlines and performs other duties that help produce the newspaper every day. Photo editor. A photo editor is not a photographer, although it is often the case that the photo editor is a former photographer. This editor assigns photographers and helps select the photos that the newspaper prints. Graphics editor. The graphics editor is the head of the graphics department, sometimes called the art department. This editor is in charge of all of the graphics and illustrations produced for the newspaper. Now I am going to discuss about the advertising department. The primarily functions of the advertising department are: the advertising department works mainly for generating revenue through advertisements. They collect advertisements through the advertisers and then ensuring publishing in every newspaper edition. This department works with editorial department to create appropriate space in the newspaper for the advertisement. Advertising department takes care of local advertising, classified ads, national advertisements, and legal advertisements. This department is responsible for preparing the copy for advertisements to be published. Now I am going to discuss about the circulation department. Circulation department play an important role in a newspaper organization. This department takes care of the distribution of the copies of newspaper. Through this department, a newspaper organization generates revenue. Without the circulation of the newspaper, no one would give the advertisements to the newspaper. If a newspaper has a large number of circulation, it will get more advertisements from the market. Under the supervision of circulation manager, the circulation department is responsible for city circulation, area circulation, and also for the sale promotion. Now the printing press department. This is another important department of a newspaper organization. This department is responsible for the printing of a newspaper. They take care of installation and the maintenance of machines. This department is responsible for printing plate preparation, printing, cutting, folding, etc. are some of the main tasks of this department. Now I am going to discuss about the administrative department. This is another important department of a newspaper organization. The department is in charge of certain very important duties such as planning, organizing, and staffing. This department looks after the general administrative work pertaining to personnel, their selection, training, promotion, allotment of work, maintaining leave record, liaison with government departments, general facilities, and all such work that facilitates working of other departments. In the absence of a separate legal department, the administrative department also handles the work pertaining to legal matters. Accounts department. Accounting department looks after all the accounting work like maintaining books of accounts, preparing balance sheet, and other financial statements like payment received, preparation of budget, financial planning, cost control, etc. Here you can see a visual diagram which is showing the organization structure of a newspaper. These are the references which are used in preparing this PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.